Are you a Mac user who is struggling with your Roland workflow? This is the video for you. I am going to show you yet again another workflow for how to get cut lines on your PNGs, SVGs, JPEGs so that you can get them into VersaWorks so that you can print and cut on your Roland. One of the issues, as you know, while VersaWorks 7 was released and works now on a Mac, Roland and Flexi no longer have this license for Flexi that is included. That is the perfect solution for PC users. It is literally one click, add, cut, contour lines, and you can send directly from Flexi. Unfortunately, with the addition of the Mac compatibility for VersaWorks 7, Flexi didn't come across with it, and so we need to find another way, and I have that for you today. It is a little bit of a setup. You need to, but once you get into this workflow, it is actually very, very easy. I'm going to show you here in about 5 minutes how to do this. Okay, so we are going to start here in Silhouette Studio. So Silhouette Studio and Affinity are going to both be needed in this type of workflow, which is the one that I would recommend. So we're going to start by going to File Merge. File Merge just allows the design to open in the work area that you currently have open. Now, when you are opening PNG files, the high resolution files, I find it is easier to go to File Merge or File Open than it is to drag and drop the file. For some reason, it doesn't seem to allow you to select the file once it's in Studio when you drag and drop. So that is why I go to File Merge, specifically for large files, large PNG files. Okay, so this is going to open up. We need to do literally one thing. We need to just resave this as an SVG so that we get the layers. So Silhouette Studio has auto tracing and because of on PNGs. So what it's going to do is it's going to trace the outline, which you can see here is this red line around the outer edge of your design. And if you want to see where the cut line is itself, you can just go to the send panel and it's going to show you. Okay, so you do have some inner lines over here. If you don't want them, I have other videos on how to release the compound path to get rid of those. For ease of use here, we are just going to leave this as is. So what I'm going to do now, this is a PNG file, but because Silhouette Studio auto traces PNGs that are transparent, we don't need to do anything else. We can just go to File and Save As, Save to Hard Drive, and we are going to save this as an SVG file. Now, the reason that I do it this way is because I need to convert that file from a PNG to an SVG so that I have the layers when I open it up in Affinity. Affinity, you can trace, but it is not nearly as easy, and it definitely doesn't do it automatically the way that Silhouette Studio does. So let's call this Pumpkin, Halloween Pumpkin. Just save that to my desktop really quick as an SVG. Okay, then what I'm going to do is launch Affinity. Now I already have it here, but we will start over. So I will just delete that. Oops. And what you can see is I am here in Layers. I am going to go to File, Open, and I'm going to find that file that I just was working on. So I have it on my desktop here, Halloween Pumpkin. I'll bring that in and it's going to open. Now, this file looks exactly the same. What you have over here in Layers is you have the various layers of that SVG. So if it was a PNG, it would just be the image, but we have this path, which is the stroke, which is what we need to change the color for. So right now that stroke is red, okay? So what you're seeing up here, see where it says color and then it has swatches and it has this solid circle. And then it also has this red open circle. The red open circle is the stroke color. So we need to change the stroke color to the Roland cut colors, cut contour color. So under here, you may be on one of these other ones, colors, gradients. You need to go down to your profile that says Roland cut contour line. If you don't have this, again, I have another video on how to get these into Affinity. It's a one-time process that you need to do, and then they will be there. So once you have that, then you can just click the pink and your stroke color will change to pink. Now, if you are here and your whole design turns pink, it's because you are on the image itself as opposed to the stroke. Okay, so we don't want that. We want the stroke color to be pink. Okay, now we are ready to export. So we can just go up here and do File, Export. We can tell it, well, we want it to export as a PDF. You have the option if you want to select the entire document to export, the selection area, or selection only. I'm just going to put selection area and click export. This is going to now put the same file as a PDF onto my desktop or wherever I choose to save it. Now we need to go into VersaWorks. So again, I'm on a Mac here and I can launch VersaWorks 7, which is supported by Mac, which can work on a Mac. We're just going to say don't open. Okay, and here we are. So I'm just going to open a new queue so that it's a little cleaner to look at. I'm going to press the plus sign to add my job. Here is my job. Remember, I want the PDF. Okay. And there is my file. Now, how do I know that it has cut lines? Do you see over here where it says special items and it has this A? That means that it has cut line information. If it had the A that had like the perforated box around it, that means it has perf lines. If you don't see an A here, that means that your file does not have cut lines. Okay, you can also now go into, let's see, edit design and settings, and you should see the dancing ants. This is a little bit small, so it's why you're not seeing. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah. So we have the cut lines around the areas, or we have the Roland contour cut lines around the areas where those original cut lines were in this file, okay? So you can see here, those were the cut lines in Silhouette Studio, and here is where they are for Roland. And now we are ready to print and cut this transfer on our Roland. And so that is the workflow that I would highly recommend if you are working on VersaWorks 7 on your Mac. So definitely not as easy as if you were able to use Flexi for those of us who have both a Mac and a PC. I actually really like the workflow with Flexi on the PC. Unfortunately, I love my Mac even more, and so I do it this way. Now, VersaWorks is obviously comes with Roland, Silhouette Studio, and Affinity do not. They are a package deal though that you can get. I'm going to put the link in the description below. Those are also one-time paid options. Okay, so they're not a subscription. It's under $100 to get that software package. I definitely think it's worth it. I know a lot of people poo-poo Silhouette Studio. Oh, it's for crafters. Oh, it's for hobbies. That is a extremely powerful program that is often overlooked, and the price of that for business edition, which is what you will need, is definitely hands down worth it. Okay. All right, guys, all of the information that you'll need is in the description below. If you're looking for one-on-one personalized help with your Roland, I'm here for you. Again, join Silhouette U, and I offer personalized same-day support for Roland users, Silhouette users, sublimation, software, everything like that. See you guys soon.